Navratri. Hope you're having a great one. And this is my second video on Dakla. For those of you who don't know, I have already uploaded a video on Dakla before, but as this song was going insanely crazy this year, I wanted to make one more video. So yeah, I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.